Hello friends, welcome back to Online Maths Hub. This question was actually sent by one of my subscribers. He said I should help out in solving this problem. And of course the question says how many numbers between 50 to 300 are exactly divisible by 10, and then we should also find their sum. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing in this video. And of course, if you're new to our channel, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that if we release new content, you will actually get to know about it. And of course, if you have any question, even in the course of the solution, you can always drop it in the comment section. I will surely get back to you. And just before I proceed to, if you're watching us on Facebook, do well to like this video and also follow our page. Share the video with your friends, and having done all of those things, we can now proceed with this video. So I like to start by writing solution. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is actually to identify the numbers that are divisible by 10 that are between 50 to 300, and of course those numbers can be written as 10 times 5. That's actually going to be the first number, and then the next one is 10 times 6. So these are how numbers divisible by 10 between 50 to 300 look like. And of course this continues till 10 times 30, and that's actually going to be the last number that is divisible by 10 between 50 and then 300. So obviously you can see that 50 here is the first term. Okay, so let me just write the first term here is 50, and then the last term, if you watch from this representation here, the last term here is going to be, so this is 10 times 30, because of course 10 times 30 is going to give us 300. Now that we've gotten these two things, so the next thing we want to find out is how many numbers are really divisible, just like the question is saying here. And of course, if you remember, if you want to find out the number of times in a particular sequence, the formula is actually an is equal to a, which is the first term, plus n representing the number of terms, minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. So when you look at this sequence right here, so if this one is 50 and then this one is 60, of course this one is 70, it continues in that order until 300. You can clearly see that the common difference here, so our d, which is the common difference, is equal to 10. So what I'm going to do is, since I've got the last term, I'm going to substitute right here so that I can be able to find out the number of terms in this sequence. And if I do that, the last term, which is 300, is equal to a, which is our first term, 50, plus we're looking for n, so we don't know the number of terms, n minus 1, and then multiplied by the common difference, which is equal to 10. So I'm going to use this 10 to open this bracket so that I have 300 is equal to 50 plus 10n minus 10. Okay, so I can subtract this so that I have 300 is equal to 50 minus 10 is 40, then plus 10n. So the next thing I want to do is actually to take this one to this side to bring 40 to the left hand side. So I have 300 minus 40 is equal to 10n. And then when you subtract, this is going to give you 260 is equal to 10n. And then you can divide through by the coefficient of n, which is 10, so that we can be able to get our n. And obviously you can see that n is equal to 260 divided by 10, which is equal to 26. So this shows that we actually have 26 terms in this sequence. Okay, so the next thing we want to find out is the sum. We find out the number of terms, which is actually 26, And then for us to get the sum, you can remember the beautiful formula. So if you want to find out the sum of terms in a sequence, it is actually given by Sn to be equal to n divided by 2 and then into the first term, which is a, plus the last term. And so we can just go ahead to make substitutions, and if we do that, we're going to be having that x26 is equal to 26 divided by 2 into our first term is actually 50 plus our last term here is 300. And then when you continue, this is 26 divided by 2 into this will give us 350. Okay, and of course if you proceed, this is 13 multiplied by 350, which obviously when you do the math, it will be equal to 4550. Okay, and of course that's actually going to be the final answer now. Okay, and of course that is actually how you're going to be solving this kind of question. If you've enjoyed it, make sure you like the video and also subscribe to our channel for more updates. And of course I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.